In this video, I'm going to show you how to find OKX wallet referral code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, the first thing what we need to do is go ahead and download and install the OKX application onto your device. So open up your Player App Store, search for OKX, and then go ahead and click on the install button and give that a few moments to download and install. Then from here, go ahead and open up OKX, and then you need to create an account or log in. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply log in here. All right, so once you're logged in, you want to click onto the 9 dots on the top left hand corner to access some more settings. From here, scroll down, and under gifts and rewards, go ahead and click on referrals. Now this might pop up. You can enable skip for now. I'm just going to skip for now. And it says here earn 20 AUD for each friend you invite. So I'm in Australia, so I'm going to earn $20 per referral. And now if we go ahead and click on how it works, it will say your friends will have 14 days to sign up with your referral link or code, complete the identity verification, and complete a single trade worth more than $100. And your reward, you can earn a reward for each friend or family member you invite. And now from here, just simply copy that link and send that to your friends or family, or you can share it directly on X, Facebook, and you got some more options here as well.